Navigating the urban landscape demands a vehicle that seamlessly blends style, efficiency, and practicality. SUVs, with their elevated driving positions and versatile capabilities, have become increasingly popular choices for urban dwellers. In this exploration, we delve into a curated selection of 10 SUVs that stand out in the realm of urban driving. Beyond mere transportation, these SUVs aim to enhance the urban driving experience. Before we continue, if you appreciate all the information and the research that goes into making a video like this, it does help out tremendously if you hit the like button and hit subscribe. Thank you. And let's begin. Mazda CX-5. The Mazda CX-5 seamlessly blends style, performance, and practicality, making it a standout choice for urban dwellers. Its Kodo design language not only contributes to its eye-catching appearance, but also enhances aerodynamics, improving fuel efficiency. The innovative SkyActiv technology under the hood ensures a responsive and fuel-efficient engine, crucial for stop-and-go traffic. The interior is a testament to Mazda's commitment to craftsmanship, with premium materials and intuitive controls. In urban settings, maneuverability is key, and the CX-5 delivers precise steering and a compact footprint. Honda CR-V. The Honda CR-V has earned its reputation as a reliable and practical SUV, making it an ideal companion for urban adventures. Its spacious interior is a welcoming retreat, providing ample room for passengers and cargo. Efficiency is a strong suit, with a fuel-efficient engine that minimizes the impact on your wallet. The CR-V's compact dimensions make navigating city streets a breeze, while the responsive handling adds a touch of agility. The well-designed infotainment system, combined with a suite of safety features, ensures that urban commuters stay connected and secure. Toyota RAV4. The Toyota RAV4, a perennial favorite, excels in urban environments with a winning combination of efficiency, comfort, and safety. Available in hybrid configurations, the RAV4 addresses urban environmental concerns without compromising performance. The cabin is designed with both comfort and functionality in mind, offering a quiet and well-appointed space for occupants. Maneuvering through city traffic is effortless, thanks to its nimble handling and compact dimensions. Safety is a priority, as evidenced by Toyota's comprehensive suite of advanced safety features. Hyundai Kona. The Hyundai Kona, a subcompact SUV, stands out in the crowded urban landscape with its distinctive design and practicality. Its compact size makes it an urban-friendly choice, allowing for easy navigation through tight city streets and parking in confined spaces. Inside, the Kona surprises with a well-thought-out interior that maximizes space and comfort. The infotainment system is intuitive, providing seamless connectivity for today's tech-savvy urbanites. Beyond its urban prowess, the Kona's nimble handling and range of available features make it a versatile companion for various driving scenarios. Whether it's the daily commute or a spontaneous urban adventure, the Hyundai Kona is up to the task. Nissan Rogue Sport. The Nissan Rogue Sport, a more compact version of its larger sibling, brings a perfect blend of practicality and urban-friendly features. Its smaller footprint makes it adept at weaving through city traffic and fitting into snug parking spots. Inside, the Rogue Sport surprises with a spacious and well-appointed interior, providing a comfortable retreat from the hustle and bustle of urban life. Safety is a priority, with Nissan's advanced driver assistance features offering peace of mind during urban commutes. The Rogue Sport strikes a balance between style, efficiency, and maneuverability, making it a smart choice for those navigating the urban jungle. Ford Escape. The Ford Escape, known for its sporty demeanor and versatility, shines in urban environments with a perfect blend of performance and practicality. Its compact size is ideal for city living, ensuring easy navigation and stress-free parking. Ford offers a range of engine options, including hybrid variants, catering to the diverse needs of urban commuters. Inside, the Escape boasts a well-designed cabin with user-friendly technology and ample cargo space. Whether it's the dynamic handling or the efficient hybrid models, the Ford Escape is tailored for urbanites seeking a comfortable and responsive SUV for their daily adventures. Chevrolet Equinox. The Chevrolet Equinox presents a compelling option for urban drivers, combining comfort, technology, and efficiency in a well-rounded package. Its compact dimensions make it easy to maneuver through city streets, while the interior provides a quiet and comfortable haven for occupants. Chevrolet's commitment to technology is evident in the Equinox, with a user-friendly infotainment system and advanced safety features. The available engine options cater to different driving preferences, striking a balance between performance and fuel efficiency. From its stylish exterior to its thoughtful interior design, the Equinox is a versatile and urban-savvy SUV. Jeep Compass. The Jeep Compass, with its rugged yet refined design, offers a unique proposition for urban adventurers seeking a blend of style and capability. Its compact size and responsive handling make it well-suited for navigating crowded city streets and tight parking spaces. The Compass's interior strikes a balance between comfort and practicality, providing a comfortable space for both driver and passengers. Jeep's commitment to off-road capability adds an extra layer of versatility, allowing urbanites to tackle various driving conditions with confidence. Subaru Crosstrek. The Subaru Crosstrek, with its all-wheel drive capability, stands out as a capable and reliable companion for urbanites facing diverse driving conditions. Its compact size and efficient fuel economy make it suitable for city living, while the spacious interior ensures comfort for all occupants. Subaru's reputation for safety is evident in the Crosstrek, with advanced driver assistance features providing an extra layer of protection during urban commutes. The Crosstrek's rugged yet stylish exterior adds a touch of adventure, making it a versatile choice for those who appreciate both urban comforts and the ability to venture off the beaten path. Kia Seltos. The Kia Seltos, with its eye-catching design and thoughtful features, is a standout choice for urban dwellers seeking a stylish and practical SUV. Its compact dimensions make it adept at navigating city streets, and the well-designed interior offers a comfortable and tech-savvy space for occupants. The Seltos' smooth ride and responsive handling contribute to an enjoyable driving experience in urban settings. Kia's commitment to safety is evident in the Seltos, with a suite of advanced safety features providing peace of mind during urban adventures. Whether it's the daily commute or spontaneous city exploration, the Kia Seltos effortlessly combines style and functionality for urban living. In conclusion, the urban landscape demands vehicles that can seamlessly adapt to the dynamic rhythm of city life. The 10 SUVs explored in this compilation not only meet but exceed the expectations of urban drivers, offering a harmonious blend of style, performance, and practicality. In the ever-evolving landscape of urban driving, these SUVs stand as testaments to innovation, responding to the diverse needs of drivers navigating the complexities of city life. As we bid farewell to this exploration, it's clear that the future of urban driving is bright, with SUVs leading the way and providing efficient, stylish, and practical solutions for the modern urbanite.